A warm welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are here with episode 2 of Makers of Bharat. I am at the lush green IIM campus, which has been age old but still providing young management professionals to the country. And today I am with Dr. Aditya Gupta. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
He has 2 decades plus experience in various industries, and from past few years he is associated with IIM as COO Supply Chain Management Center at IIM Bangalore. Dr. Aditya Gupta.
Sure.
So you were in the top position in supply chain industries for more than 2 decades, and now you are into totally an academic institution. What is the thought process behind this transition?
So, Peter Drucker said that you should have your second career at the age of 45. So I took that advice little more seriously. So yeah, but on a serious note, there were 3-4 reasons why I shifted from corporate into academics. There was a bit of what I would say a burnout which was happening. So supply chain is a very transactional kind of assignment, and every day was some kind of a problem solving which was happening, and then obviously that leads to some kind of a stress at some point of time. So I think that was one big reason, and I felt that enough is enough. Second was that I started pursuing my PhD in 2014, and I completed my PhD in 2019. Now the reason of conducting or doing that particular PhD also was that I wanted to shift to academics some point of time, and 2 reasons for that. One, I wanted to contribute towards research also, and secondly, I enjoyed being with students and teaching them as well. So that was the second reason. And third reason why I shifted from corporate into academics was that I had a passion for Hindi literature, and at some point of time I did want to contribute to that as well, and corporate job unfortunately was not allowing me to do that. So I think there were a multitude of factors which were there, but I'm quite happy with whatever transition that I did, and I'm really enjoying my stint at IIM Bangalore.
Great, sir. So yes, the message from a 30 years experienced man is that every time have a plan for second career. Yes. Coming to the second question, sir, you are in a crucial position where you have a connect between industry and the students, the academic institution. So as an academician, what is that you are looking towards industries to pass the information to the academic institutions to build the Makers of Bharat?
So you want me to give what is the message to industries or to the academia?
Industries.
Industries, okay. So if you look at the way industry and academia interact at this point of time, the interaction is more only around hiring. Okay, so industry is coming to academic institution only for hiring, and that is the only transaction which is happening between the two. If you go to Western countries, okay, in Europe also and US also, I think industry and academia work very closely with each other, and there are a lot of theories and a lot of research and other things which come out of this industry and academia collaboration also. Unfortunately, that is something that has been missing as far as Indian ecosystem is concerned. So there are multiple things that we can do. So we believe that somehow industry does not have the confidence as far as academia in India is concerned. So we would like industry to come to academia and tell them that this is the business problem that we are facing. Okay, give us a chance. Okay, maybe we might be able to do a much better job as compared to maybe some of the consultancy organizations. Okay, so that's one. Okay, so give us some kind of a consultancy project also. Second is there could be long-term research also. So when a company is looking at their future also, they are looking maybe 5-year, 10-year ahead also, and they would have some kind of a technologies which they are thinking about. So please be associated with us. We would be also very keen to do some kind of a research on that, and come with new technologies and new theories and new frameworks also. That's 2. Third could be in terms of knowledge sharing. Okay, so we would be very keen to document some of the best practices that industry is doing, okay, which could be in a form of a case studies also or white paper, and that we can disseminate to the wider audience also. So that's another thing that we can perhaps do. And lastly could be in terms of training and coaching also. So you would be very interested in training and coaching the executives from industry also, which could be at various levels. Okay, so yeah, so I think that's another thing that we would be very keen to contribute to.
Yes, sir, got it. So that is my fellow Indian industrialists. So the academic institutions are looking towards us, the industries, not only for hiring, not only for campus recruitments, they are looking towards us for knowledge sharing, case studies, so that it will be better for them for making the tomorrow's Makers of Bharat industry ready, so that we will have our job easy back in the industry.
Sure.
Sir, my third question to you. Yes, you are an academic institution. Across years, you mentored, you nurtured many future management professionals. So what is that one message you want to give to the future makers of Bharat?
So if you look at, say, India's vision is to become a Viksit Bharat by 2047. And I believe that next 2 decades are going to be very, very crucial. So my message to all the young professionals is that please be mindful of that. Whatever action that you are doing, please try to contribute to the nation as well. So nation is really, really looking towards you, which could be in terms of entrepreneurship also, which could be delivering to Indian organizations also. Whatever you do, plus do contribute and make India a Viksit Bharat.
Great, sir. So yes, the message is India first, nation first. So in order to make Viksit Bharat 2047 a great one, we all need to have our focus. We all need to do great things. Yes. So the last one. So this is for ourselves. So we have started this platform to be a connect between industry and academia, the Makers of Bharat YouTube channel. So any suggestions for our YouTube channel? So
first I believe that audience is very, very important. Okay, so if whatever channel that you have created, if you can decide who's going to be your audience. Okay, so suppose you believe the students are going to be my audience, then I think we need to create a content which is catering to their needs. Okay, if we believe industry is our audience, then we need to build content which is meeting this. Okay, so what I'm saying is, like, let's first understand that who is our customer and what is the content that they want to consume, and then based on their requirement, I think we need to develop our content and deliver it to them. And if you do a sincere job, I think people will appreciate. Okay, so thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
For being
Thank
on
you.
Makers of Bharat.
Thank you. Thanks. Pleasure.